Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now look at this exponential question. The question is 21 to the power 63 upon 63 to the power 21, and we have to simplify this question. Let's see how do we proceed. Just write 21 to the power 63 as it is. Then split up this 63 into 3 into 21 raised to the power 21. Further, 21 to the power 63 upon. Now this can be written as 3 to the power 21 dot 21 to the power 21. Now you can write it as 1 upon 3 to the power 21 dot 21 to the power 63 upon 21 to the power 21. As you know that a to the power m upon a to the power n can be written as a to the power m minus n. So applying this identity on this, you can write it as 1 upon 3 to the power 21 dot 21 to the power 63 minus 21. Further, this can be simplified as 1 upon 3 to the power 21 dot 21 to the power 42. Now split up this 21 to the power 42 as 21 square whole to the power 21. As you know the algebraic identity, that is a to the power m upon b to the power m, can be written as a upon b to the power m. Now you can write it as 21 square upon 3 whole to the power 21. Now write it as 21 into 21 upon 3 whole to the power 21. Cancel out these two terms. So you get 21 into 7 whole to the power 21, and this is equals to 147 raised to the power 21. Now there is another way that we can follow to solve the same question, that is 21 to the power 63 upon 63 to the power 21. Let's see what do we do. Just write 21 and split up the power. Make it 3 bracket 21 upon 63 to the power 21. As you know the algebraic identity that a to the power m upon b to the power m can be written as a upon b to the power m. So just write it as 21 cube upon 63 bracket 21. Now just split 21 into 21 dot 21 dot 21 upon 63 whole to the power 21. So this is equals to 21, and this is cancelled, 3 and this 21 is cancelled. So here you get 7 into 21 raised to the power 21, and it is equals to 147 raised to the power 21, and this is our required answer. I hope you understand the question, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.